Remove any protruding screws to create a clean surface. Optionally, you can cover them with felt pads. The frame can now be assembled and screwed together. The mounting bar, which is used for alignment, can be attached on either side. Adjust the guide pin so that the door can be installed later. Align the frame using a laser level and a spirit level to ensure it is perfectly plumb. You can now drill the lower holes. Make sure to use the correct drill size for the wall plugs. Next, drill into the floor, ensuring the correct depth. The frame can then be fixed in place using screws. Mark the drill holes on the wall and drill them afterwards. You can now insert the wall plugs. In this installation, an expanding ceiling tape was used because the wall was uneven and the installation gap was larger on one side. This step is optional and only necessary if required. The frame can now be securely fixed on all sides. Make sure it remains properly aligned during installation. The mounting bar can then be removed. Now attach the supplied cover caps. Once the doors are unpacked, place the hinge ball in position. The door can then be mounted and the guide pin can be unscrewed again. In this case, the installation includes a side panel, so the same steps are repeated on the other side. At the customer's request, the side panel can be opened using a slide bolt. Finally, you can seal the installation gap with acrylic or silicone for a clean and finished look.